Hey everyone, this is Anupama and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys the making of this beautiful Rajasthani style home decor pieces which are made out of waste cardboard and clay. So let's get started. Before that, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please do consider subscribing and click the bell icon to get the further notifications. So guys, first to create a template, I'm drawing the shape of the musicians on white paper. Now once you're done with the drawing part, cut it according to the shape. Now take a waste cardboard and trace the shape on it. After drawing the shape on the cardboard, cut it according to the shape using a sharp knife or a cutter. So now our base part is ready. Now cover all the edges with masking tape or paper tape. Now to make our base strong and more flexible, I am using this wire. The thickness of this wire is 0.8 mm. Stick it using glue. Now stick the hands. So now our basic structure is ready. Now start covering the cardboard with clay. You can use any air dry clay. Now take small amount of clay according to the size of the face and cover it. And this is not at all complicated. It's very easy to do. You just need to spread the clay according to the shape. That's it. You are done. Cover all the body with clay. Spread it. You can see here it's very easy to shape it. It's not at all a complicated structure. Now add more clay to form a dhoti structure. I don't know what it is exactly called as. Now start giving detailing to the bottom part. Now start giving detailing to the shirt. Now we are almost done with the making of this musician. Now let's start making the instrument. I don't know what is the name of it. I think it's looking like banjo. I don't know. I'm sorry if I am spelling it wrong. Now start covering the hands with clay. Take a small amount of clay and spread it around the wire to cover it completely. And now start bending the hands in such a way that the musician is holding the instrument. Now place the instrument and adjust the hands accordingly. So now our musician is ready, and now to make it stand we need to attach this to a base. Here I am using this wooden slice which is lying with me from past 3 years. If you are not having this, you can even use cardboard, or even you can use old caps, bottle caps. If you are using a cap, just make a hole and just insert it and then cut the excess wire. And guys, you can see here the structure is not stiff, it's a bit shaky. So just to give it a support, I'm attaching more clay on the back side to make it stand straight. Allow it to dry completely to make it stiff. So now our musician is ready, and you can see here it's not at all shaky, it's very stiff. Now just start coloring it. First I had applied black. After applying black acrylic paint, let it dry, and then take a sponge and dip it in the gold acrylic paint and start dabbing it over the black such that you will be getting an antique look. And that's it guys, our antique musician is ready. And I had made one more musician like this, and for this I am applying metallic silver instead of gold. I just love both the shades, the antique one, the antique gold and silver one. And guys, do let me know which one do you like the most, the antique gold or the silver ones. That's it guys, our musicians are ready. I totally enjoyed the making and I hope you also love it. And that's it for today guys. See you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.